In today's episode, we will see how LED lights are manufactured inside the factory. The LED light making process starts with shaping and making holes and casings. This company manufactures more than 3,500 LED lights every day. First, the casings are rinsed in a chemical and water tank. After that, it is cleaned with high-pressure air. Next, powder coating is applied on the LED light casing for long-lasting protection. Once the coating is done, they are heated at 200 degrees Celsius and then cooled down. Casing stands are also made on the other side of the factory, where holes are made on the iron strip. Here, the iron strip is bent according to the casing design. After powder coating, the casings, stands, screws and rubber gaskets are packed and sent for further assembly. In the assembly area, solder paste is applied to the PCB. Now, the LED lights are placed on the PCB using a pick and place machine. Then, the PCB is manually tested and a label is placed on it. Afterwards, the wires are cut and stripped. Then, the adhesive is applied to the PCB casing. Now, the PCB is placed on the casing and tightened with a screw. After that, the wire harness is done manually. After wiring, the LED is tested and then other components are attached. Here, the rubber gasket and glass is assembled. Lastly, the brand name, logo and other details are printed using a laser printing machine. Finally, the LED lights are packed and are ready to dispatch.